Well, take two. We got a different camera view here. Hopefully this one's a little better. So we got some perforated pipe. We perforated some stone that's not perfectly clean, but it's better than no stone. Down in the trench. I'm going to reach down in there by hand, raise that pipe up, level it out a little bit, get a little pitch away from the pit, then throw some more stone in, and then we'll put some filter fabric over it, cover it up. So that's what we're doing now. So I'm going to hop out here for a moment and check that out. I don't know why it's taken me so damn long to figure this out, but a magnetic level stuck in every machine is a lifesaver as long as you remember to put it back. So that's better. We're getting closer to the elevation I want that. I want to try and get 6 inches to a foot of stone underneath it. So I'm struggling with this machine. The rotator on it is it. It's a little tougher to dig out of the truck. Pile of mush too, which doesn't help me. I'm trying to get a little extra elevation. And it's always fun when you can't see the bucket. There we go. Oh yeah, I made a mess of that one. Oh well. Can't cry over spilled stone. Yeah. We gotta fix this pile. I am literally falling into the trench. Let's do that now. This machine, the only flaw it has, which I guess they fixed for their new machines, treasure from the scrapyard, always scrapyard treasures. I don't like getting them up under my machine because this hose is in the undercarriage. I don't want poking it. So yeah, what I was saying, this machine, I love it, but I have size 13 boots on. I'm 6'2", 245 pounds. I'm a big guy for this little cab. So I wish the cab were a little bigger. Is that any better? Yeah, that's a little better. Alright, now I'm way too close to the truck, but we'll still figure it out here. Alright, we have full bucket? Oh yeah, full bucket. Some stone over the pipe. Backside. You guys can see this. hole to work in the truck. It's easy to film. Smash the tailgate. I'm like, boom. There we go. So, unfortunately, I'm working alone right now because this economy has gone from rip-roaring fast, kicking ass, to a complete fucking snail. So, working by myself. I don't even have myself on salary. And we're doing this job for a friend of ours. Kind of to keep busy, help him out. He wanted this job done. Once things get better, I'm sure it'll be a hurry to get this done. So I figured I'd use the time to get this project done on the cheap. Just had a customer call us, which is fantastic. They have a job starting up for us next week up in Wellesley, which is phenomenal. So we'll get that going. And oh boy, we got a big bucket. Oh yeah. Nope, not a big bucket. Anyways, we're not making a mess. Truck out, but I like placing it this way until we get the fabric down at least, because then we don't have to do as much handwork. And like I said, I'm by myself, so I built a tilt rotator so I can do less handwork. And that's the name of the game here. Use the machine, save my back, save my energy. Keep on. And spin this around on the side of the bucket. Thumbs in the way. Maybe 2 more scoops. Get out, check that, throw some fabric over it. It's a pain in the ass not being able to see the bucket when you're digging in the truck. Big machine, I can look right in. Oh boy. Surprise! This pile is not helping me out much. I'm gonna put some stone on my shovel down there. There we go. Springtime, it's been raining. This town we're in is a little south of where we normally work. It's called Middleborough, Massachusetts, and a lot more sandy down here than what we're used to, so better drainage. And we're working. We as in me and my equipment's working. Tilt rotation added about 100 pounds to the end of arm on this. 4-foot bucket's pretty big. I guess it's all what you know. I know that some operators can't stand rocking about in a machine. Other than getting motion sick, it really doesn't bother me. I guess it's all what you know. They say working on a barge is the hardest, and some people can't stand it because the barge, when you dig, is always moving. The machine's always moving on the barge, so I don't know. Let's see. That's better. Let's put the blade out in front of me, Lucas. There we go. Let's see, that made a difference. just about done bailing out of the back of the truck anyway, so now set that back. Back up a little bit. Yeah. So, am I worried about water or stone getting in the pipe? Not really. This isn't going to be perfect, but it's something. So, alright, now I'm going to get out of the machine, flatten that out, check it with the level, raise it up a little bit, see what we can. Let's see how this is working out.